Good morning, SOG PE scholars. This is Magister Beck, and Magister Cole, Mr. Mangold, and myself for this week's PE assignment would like you guys to help your family out doing family chores, like household chores, because even though you might not think it, they can be very physically active. So one of the things you guys could do is grab the vacuum cleaner, and some of them are pretty heavy, so you gotta push pretty hard, and you can use your right hand, switch with your left hand, and you're getting down around stuff and getting down low, so you're using a lot of your muscles in your body. But to make it more physically active, like phy-ed based, if you hit something like a table or a TV stand, stop vacuuming and do 5 jumping jacks. 4, 5. And for you older scholars, if you want to make it more challenging, you can do like 5 burpees or 5 push-ups. But 5 jumping jacks is pretty decent for everyone to do. So that's one thing you guys can do, is vacuum the house and try to go around the furniture without hitting it. And if you hit it, you get a little bit of a penalty, like 5 jumping jacks. Another household chore you guys can do is grab a rag or a paper towel and help dust around the house. So everyone's got TVs and countertops and tables that can be dusted because they can get very dusty as the season goes on. So you can use your right hand, left hand. You can do circular motions one way and then the other way. Switch hands to your non-dominant hand, going in and out. You can reach high, stretching those muscles, reaching down low, bending at the back and doing almost a squatting motion, going to the sides. It's a very active chore, is dusting, vacuuming. Any chore, either it's household or outdoor, can be very active and be pretty demanding on your body. So that's what we want you to do for phy-ed this week, is help your family out. It's a short week, so you got Monday and Tuesday, but I think you guys can take care of it pretty well. So vacuuming, dusting, or any other household chores your family wants help with around the house. And that's about it, scholars. Hope to see you guys soon, and have a great short week. Talk to you guys later.